Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today our video topic is how to make best effective weight loss drinks at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a fresh cucumber. Cut it into small pieces. Now, take a garlic piece. Peel off the garlic. Cut it into small pieces. Take a clean blender, keep it in the blender and blend it. After blending, strain it now. At last, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well properly. Ready for drink. If you take this drink just after getting up from bed in the early morning, then you will feel change in 1 month. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.